The Galaxy S26 just landed, but the first leaks for the S27 Ultra are already shattering expectations. Forget megapixels, it's about the sensor. We're looking at a massive ISO HP6 with low-fi technology. Low-fi means single exposure HDR. No more ghosting, no more overprocessing, just pure, professional-grade dynamic range. Under the hood, a custom 10nm Snapdragon chips. It's faster, cooler, and built specifically for the next era of agentic AI. Samsung is also evolving its privacy display. Imagine a screen that literally hides your data from anyone looking over your shoulder. Plus, whispers suggest a jump to a 500 mAh battery and finally faster 65W charging to keep the AI running all day. The king of Android is preparing its biggest hardware jump in years. Is this the upgrade you've been waiting for? Drop a comment and follow for the latest S27 leaks.